Hello there guys, welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we're based in Adobe Photoshop and it's Jack from Blue Sky Graphics. What I want to show you today guys is just a little hidden secret of the clone stamp tool. As you can see at the moment, I have this dog image, okay? And as you can see, we have one paw waving at us. What I would like is another paw on the right-hand side here, okay? And what we have to be conscious of is perspective. So obviously, if I now was to come through and apply a layer, this is our clone stamp tool here. What we need to do is find the source point. We do that by pressing Alt on a Mac, Alt on Windows or Option on a Mac. Make sure you're on the correct layer. So therefore, we need to find our source on the dog layer here. So I'm just going to Option and click, come through. As you can see, doesn't look right, does it? Okay, so how would you solve that issue? What you'd need to do is you go to Window, Clone Source, and then your Clone Source window will appear. And we have this option here, okay, where we can flip horizontal. You have the option to do flip vertical, but currently at the moment, what I would like to do is do flip horizontal. I can close that window down now, and let's go back to our clone stamp. Let's find our source point. Yet again, make sure you're on the right layer by pressing Option on a Mac or Alt on Windows. Fabulous. And now if I come back onto our new layer here, I can come through and paint and clone the correct way. And now I have a dog jumping at me and waving with both paws. Thank you very much, guys. If you're interested in finding out more about Blue Sky Graphics, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Also, as well, take a look at our socials, our Instagram, Blue Sky Graphics UK, some really cool information on there. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.